son Junkai's family is trying to reach the United States through the jungles of Central America, nearly 15,000 kilometers from their ancestral home. In an attempt to reach the United States through the dangerous jungles to avoid the brutal Chinese immigration ban. It is one of the most dangerous migration routes in the world. All killer, identity changer and convicted tourist killer. After the release of Charles Subbaraj, Nepal Badda, he was an expert at changing his identity, so it was not easy to catch him. This person was under the nose of the police in many countries of the world in the 70s and 80s. Workers producing shoes for famous footballers, including Messi, the world's leading brand, can't forgive our mistake. 2 months ago, hundreds of workers at a garment factory in Eddy demanded a pay rise and dozens were fired. Cyclone, a heavy snowstorm engulfing the US, Canada that is setting new records. The blizzard has intensified in many parts of the United States and Canada, shutting down power to millions of homes and suspending thousands of flights. It is being called the coldest summer of the last decades.